Hello everyone, today we're drawing a tree. Let's start off by drawing the tree trunk. And we're going to close up this bottom with roots. Next we're going to draw the branches. Now we're going to draw the leaves. So the top part of the tree is where all the leaves are. And then we're going to cover up these branches with more curves. Now I'm just going to draw the ground. Now we're going to trace our tree with a marker. Alright everyone, now that we're done tracing our tree, we're going to start coloring. Before we start coloring the grass, I want to do a little bit of shading around the leaves. So I'm going to use a slightly darker green, it's like a medium green, and I'm going to just go around the edges of the tree. Now I'm going to take a much darker green and I'm going to give it more shades around this bottom area. I'm going to do the same thing with this tree trunk. I'm just going to use a darker brown and I'm going to shade it a little bit on the sides. Alright, now we're going to color our grass, and I'm going to color it the same colors I used these leaves. So I'm going to start with the light green. I'm just going to use the medium green to do some edges, just like I did with the tree. Alright everyone, look at our trees. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us.
See you in the next video.
Bye!